Here in the terminal, I will use the same approach as I did it on that video. Flutter pub add, and we are gonna use the package ImageCropper. So this package has been upgraded, and they have also provided support for web in their latest version. Apply a condition first before equaling the file with picked file. So here I can check that if my picked file is not equals null. So once we applied this condition, now we can make use of the crop package. For that I'll be using crop file equals await, which requires ImageCropper. Yes, ImageCropper dot crop image source path. In the source path we apply picked file dot path, and now some certain presets are required. Means your image should be minimized to a certain kind of ratio, means 4:3, 3:6, or so on. So for that it contains a parameter of presets, aspect ratio presets, yes, which requires a list. And in the presets we can make use of aspect ratio presets, cross aspect ratio preset dot original ratio 3:2, 4:3. So for now I will use 3, one for original, second, and third. So what options are we available? 5:4, and third one 3:2. However, there are some other parameters as well for Android and iOS config. If you want, you can do that. It's optional. So if you need to apply, you can use UI settings, which again requires a list. You can use Android UI settings for background images, or let's say for background color I can use green, and for iOS settings as well you can apply. As of the background color, you can also apply your initialized aspect ratio. For that we'll have a parameter init aspect ratio, which requires the same, so we will apply original one. So I think we are done here. Now we just need to equals our file with this crop file. So crop file is a type of cropped file instance. So now it's time to equal it. File equals, since it's a type of crop file, so we need to first wrap it with X file, which requires path, and in the path we would apply crop file dot path, and it's gonna be null safety. Okay, so it's fixed and we are good to go. Okay, before running this project, ImageCropper does require some permissions. So for that we need to open the manifest file, and we need to add another activity. For that I have to go to this file. Yes, got it. We need to add a uCrop activity. So outside this first activity we are going to apply this, and once we are done, it's time to run our project. Okay, so my application has been successfully ran, and I will just modify few changes. Height and width, I'll make it to 100 and 100 respectively, and I will reload, and it's time to test our application. So this is my real device. When I click pick image, right now it goes to gallery, and from there I will pick image, and then it takes me to my crop section. So I've applied three presets, 5 into 4 and 3 into 2, and I can crop. So let's keep it to 5 into 4 for now. And once I press the tick, so our image has successfully, our cropped image is successfully loaded. So here guys, I will wind up this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel, and for more amazing content please hit that notification bell, and stay tuned and take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.